Now, what you eat has a big impact on your gut microbiome. Loading up your diet with processed foods, sugar, unhealthy fats, foods with added colors, they all can throw things out of whack. And fiber-rich foods instead, or plant-based foods where you are eating variety of fruits and vegetables and whole grains, that will keep those good microbes or your gut buddies happy and thriving. Stay away from processed foods and try to eat foods in its most natural form. Again, I am focusing on plant-based diet. That does not mean that you need to be vegetarian. You certainly need to have protein and even meat, but definitely try to make sure that you are getting enough plant-based foods in your diet as well, because these microbes, they are vegetarians and they love to eat on plant-based foods. So keep that in mind whenever you make choices. Ask a question to yourself: did I eat my fruit today? Did I eat vegetables? What kind of vegetables? Did I have enough of those vegetables? So all these are the questions you should start asking yourself before you make any food choices.